every single year Tesla has lost money, excluding one-time credit sales that they're saying are going to go away. And then on full self-drive, every single independent analysis, including Navigant, rates them dead last. In fact, they didn't register any miles in California, which means they're actually below level 3. That's the only way you don't have to register miles. So we think the reality versus the perception is far out. They're at level 2. To get to level 5, I think it's years off.
Sorry, Johnson. You're not going to like this video. In today's video, I'll be going over 2 major catalysts that not many people are realizing and that will be massive game changers for Tesla and that are right around the corner. So you're going to want to watch this one fully because I also just uncovered some earth-shattering news that you do not want to miss, and that if correct, these 2 massive contracts could help solidify Tesla as the most valuable energy company in the world. And nobody's really talking about this, which absolutely shocked me, as this could be an absolute massive game changer for Tesla. But before we get started, to support the channel, do hit the video gently with a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, so let's not waste any more time. Let's get started. Now, something that we need to keep in mind before going over the major contracts that Tesla has signed is that a lot of people are still not understanding Tesla as a company at all.
What most people are missing about the stock, so for a long time we've heard that there's this demand problem with electric vehicles. To us, that's a kind of a crazy idea, because if you look at this from a cost perspective, we've done the modeling using something called Wright's law. It's a derivation of Moore's law. So we think that battery costs are declining such that by 2022, a mass market EV will be cheaper than a gas-powered car. In our bull case for Tesla, we're estimating that they would sell about 7 million vehicles in 5 years' time. So that's still less than Toyota sells, for instance. So they wouldn't necessarily be the largest company, but of course much larger than they are today.
So what are we betting against? We're betting against a cleaner Earth because we don't like that. We like to suck in the carbon monoxide and the fumes from all these cars. We're betting against beautiful flat screens, beautiful ways in which to manage your experience inside the car because we don't like that.
No, we're betting against.
And now before we go over the massive contracts that I need to share with you guys, we need to go over 2 major catalysts that will affect Tesla stock in the short term, so you're not going to want to miss this one. Now, Elon Musk has said that Tesla's full self-driving software subscription will be available in the second quarter. Elon Musk also said in a separate tweet that purchasing full self-driving will still be a better long-term deal than a subscription. Now, the beta version of the self-driving software began rolling out in October last year, and here are some features that customers actually get with the full self-driving package. They're able to navigate on autopilot, auto lane change, auto park, smart summon, full self-driving, and traffic light and stop sign control. And Tesla also plans for the package to eventually lead to full self-driving capabilities, but Tesla has already missed a few timelines on that front. The release will be dependent on regulatory approval, which is very market specific. Now, the subscription service is expected to cost at around $100 per month, and the price could go up with the purchase price. And Elon has also claimed that Tesla vehicles will gain in value due to their self-driving capabilities, which could in turn generate revenue through an upcoming self-driving ride-hailing network that Tesla is planning to release this year. And this is something that I've talked about in many of my videos before. And Tesla's full self-driving network is going to be a massive revenue booster for Tesla.
Oh, we think it could be very profitable for Tesla. I mean, if you look at Uber's market in core cities, you know, they're getting a 45% EBITDA margin. We think Tesla could actually get higher because, again, they have a better cost structure than Uber and Lyft. They're vertically integrated on the finance and insurance side. And on top of that, it's a better equation for the drivers if this car is actually cheaper to drive per mile, because then you can imagine the drivers get more take-home pay, or Tesla could take a higher take rate off of those gross revenues. So, you know, Tesla could, and they'd also get more miles for autonomy if they do successfully launch a ride-hailing network. So it actually furthers that goal as well. So I think, you know, there's a clear business case for this.
So Tesla recently confirmed that it plans to expand Gigafactory Shanghai from a current output of 250,000 vehicles per year to 450,000 vehicles per year, which is an absolutely massive number. And now for the massive contract that we need to talk about is that Tesla is helping Australia reach 50% renewable energy by winning a new massive contract to supply the Megapack big battery in 350 megawatt in size. Now TechAU has confirmed that Tesla is a successful candidate for the project, as Tesla has been very successful in Australia, playing a big part in many renewable energy projects across a number of states. The latest announcement is that a France-based energy company that owns and operates solar and wind farms in 13 countries on 4 continents have said, and I quote, "We are delighted to announce that the Victorian Big Battery has reached this important financial milestone. We are on track to deliver this project before the next Australian summer and are looking forward to playing out a part in helping Victoria reach its ambitious target of 50% renewable energy by 2030. The project will leverage Tesla Megapack along with the Autobidder software to sell power into the grid. Now, Autobidder is one of Tesla's most underappreciated products from the company. Now, Autobidder allows companies like NEOEN to autonomously monetize battery assets, and Autobidder is a real-time trading and control platform that enables the stored energy in the Tesla Megapack to be sold into the market. This also happens at a fraction of the speed and cost of a traditional gas peaker plants that were put in place to improve the response times of the even slower coal power plants. Now, the company will use 3 megawatt Tesla Megapacks to provide up to 250 megawatts of peak capacity to the existing Victoria to the New Wales interconnector. Tesla's energy storage deployments increased up to 83% from 2019 to 2020. And at the last Tesla earnings call, the company stated that the main reason for its substantial growth in energy storage was the popularity of the Megapack. And now for the second contract that I could see happening this year is that we have to keep in mind that Indonesia is a key source of nickel and cobalt, and those are essential to the manufacturing of electric vehicle batteries. And they are hoping to become a key part of the supply chain by becoming a major producer of lithium-ion batteries.
Any mining companies out there, please mine more nickel. Okay. Wherever you are in the world, please mine more nickel, and don't wait for nickel to go back to some high point that you experienced some 5 years ago or whatever. Go for efficient, as environmentally friendly nickel mining at high volume. If Tesla will give you a giant contract for a long period of time if you mine nickel efficiently and in an environmentally sensitive way. So hopefully this message goes out to all mining companies. Please get nickel.
So it has been reported that Indonesia has received an investment proposal from Tesla. Now, the country's deputy head for investment and mining coordination have confirmed this. And Indonesia is actually the world's biggest nickel producer, a material crucial for EV batteries, and has been publicly talking to Tesla to invest in the country to help develop its EV battery industry plans. Now, they couldn't give the details to the proposal due to a non-disclosure agreement, but they did say that they're going to focus on batteries and energy storage solutions. Now, Tesla did say last year that they were looking to find a reliable source of nickel globally after warning the current cost of batteries remained a hurdle for its growth. So this is why it's always important, in my opinion, to look at the long-term prospects of Tesla and look at the bigger picture that Tesla has to offer. Because obviously we are just getting started and the year has only just begun. And also it's just very important to keep a long-term focus and look at the bigger picture when investing in a company like Tesla. So with that in mind, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to give this one a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. And if you want 2 free stocks, WeBull is going to be giving you 2 free stocks if you deposit $100 or more into your account, and one of those stocks could be valued up to $1,800. And also, do not forget to follow me on Instagram and join my Discord chat. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time.